Welcome back, and in today's video, I'll be taking you through the unboxing of the Shokz OpenDots Air earbuds. Now, these are Shokz Open earbuds, as you can see from the product page, and they are supposed to give you at least 36 hours of listening before you need to charge them, and they are the black variant. So let's go ahead and just see what is inside the box. So the first thing that you see when you first remove the top boxes is the buds themselves, and it's in its normal plastic packaging. So you can just go ahead and remove that like so. And here you have the case for the buds themselves. Now it is normally just a clear normal plastic case, and this is how it looks like. It has no button on the back, but it does have a charging port. No button, no button, so it's just like that. Then underneath that, you do have your usual paperwork, and yeah, it does not come with a charging cable, sadly, but you can use, from what I'm seeing, a regular Type-C cable to just charge these buds specifically. So this is how the buds look like when they're removed from the case. They are just the usual Shokz Open design, so you can go ahead and just see them like so. So stick around for any more videos I will be doing for these Shokz OpenDots Air, and I'll see you guys in the next video.